Disney Infinity 2.0 Edition, Marvel Superheroes, Rocket Raccoon. As a member of the superhero team Guardians of the Galaxy, he is an intelligent anthropomorphic raccoon who is an expert marksman and master tactician. Your favorite superheroes from the Marvel Comics universe come to Disney Infinity. This Disney Infinity 2.0 Rocket Raccoon figure will help you continue your Disney Infinity adventures with Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy. In Disney Infinity, Marvel Superheroes, players will use real-world interactive Marvel figures to activate original storylines, play sets, in the virtual game worlds of some of Marvel's most popular franchises, including the Avengers. In the playsets, penned by award-winning Marvel comic writer Brian Michael Bendis, players will be able to take on the role of more than 20 Marvel characters including Captain America, Iron Man, Black Widow, Thor, Hulk and Hawkeye to battle enemies, complete challenging missions, solve puzzles and ultimately save the world from destruction. Measures about 3 inches tall.